Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm more than excited.
Where are you going again?
Drakensberg. Yes.
What thing is Zulu? Okatla.
Yeah, we're going to see them now live.
Yeah. Yeah, we are at Harry Smith. We're just taking a lunch break. We've been traveling for long now. At least a little bit of a break. Okay, we're done eating. Now we need to move. It's chilly here. So now we are heading to the resort. To Drakensberg, here we come. Yeah, yeah, we arrived there.
Yeah.
Welcome to Drakensberg. But we can't see the mountain. Those trees. Tomorrow we'll be up there, somewhere there. And then this side is the dining area. Cool. Now this is the place. We have a couch here. Then you can sit here. And a table. This is nice. You can sit and eat here or chill. Okay, nice portrait. Okay, there's a Samsung TV. A cupboard. Okay, you can store some stuff. There's a fridge here with 2 bottles. There's a study lamp. Okay, you can turn it on like this. And then, okay, 2 cups of tea kettle. Nescafe Gold. Fancy coffee. Okay, this decaf. We will get some biscuits. Fresh meat. Then old-fashioned aircon. I don't even say remote, it doesn't have a remote. But what is important is it's working. Looks like it's a king-size bed. 2 lamps, phone. Yeah, it looks comfy. It's comfy. Okay, the cupboard. Oh. You can hang your suit here, your clothes. Oh, here's a safe. Can store some valuable stuff. Oh, extra blanket since this place is cold. And there's a beautiful lady here. The lady of the house. How do you find this place?
It's nice. It's nice.
It's very nice.
You know.
The view of the mountain.
Very, very nice.
The toilet. There's towels. Oh. And this. Okay, soap, body lotion, and the mirror. This one, why is it half used? This is not right. Yeah, okay, the bathroom. There's a shower head. And then a balcony with the view of the Drakensberg. It's windy today. There's the river over there. This tree is blocking our side. There's the river there. Dinner time. Let's see what they have here. Okay. Ah, okay. Some dessert. Some sauces. So for the starter, I'm having a vegetable samosa, a mac and cheese, and a bit of green salad. Baby, what are you startering with? Oh, same thing as me, ne? Okay, the samosa. Yeah, chicken kebab, king clip fish, and the seafood curry. Okay, okay, sweet potato. The chef recommended it.
We are twins.
Let's taste this.
Nigerian food.
No, it's I wonder what's in here. I don't know.
Is seafood?
Seafood curry.
That's why it smells.
It smells bad.
It's next.
No, it's
A fresh king clip.
okay. Let's taste the king clip.
Like Pazamese is that.
There's one. It's good. Yeah, it's nice.
Even this one.
But now I think the food is too much.
It's not nice.
It's fine. You wanna taste?
I'm never from this road.
Yeah, let's This guy who was stealing from the poor to the rich, the American dude, old in those old movies.
He grew up poor.
That doll that step people, that is swearing.
That is swearing.
Yeah, the swearing doll.
Jumping, not jumping.
But it's swearing. The only thing it will say yes.
Daimler. What is Daimler?
Daimler.
Daimler.
My car.
Was my age.
Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
Toyota.
Yes.
How
This
much?
is
Yeah.